Hi friends, today I have faced a very strange issue. When I was launching my app got stuck over a splash screen. It was sometime more than a minute. So I fixed the issue. So let me show you the how to fix it, because it is very frustrating when you are debugging your code and the app is getting stuck on the splash screen and you are not able to move further. So let me show, first of all, let me show how it was happening to the device. This was happening only on the device, not on a simulator. So let me show you how it was happening on my device. See, this is the issue that I was facing. I launched my app was launched, and it was running on the device. And as soon as my app got launched, it stuck to the splash screen for more than a minute. If I run my app for several times, it took more than a minute on the splash. This was the first launch and it took some time to launch, but as soon as I used my app for several times, it took more than a minute. It stuck over the splash screen. So how I fixed this issue? Let me show you how I fixed this issue. I will open the Xcode and I will go to the product, go to the scheme, go to the edit scheme, go to the run, select this run and go to the info button over here and uncheck this debug executable in the run and in the test and close. Now if you launch your app, the issue will be solved. It was not happening on a device simulator, so I can't show you the final fix, but yes, your issue will be fixed. Or even after this, if you face this kind of issue, you can clean the derived data. You can go to the iPhone simulator device support and clean all the data there also, and the issue will be fixed.